फ्रेंड्स, आज एक बहुत ही इंटरेस्टिंग न्यूज़ पढ़ी तो सोचा कि आपके साथ ज़रूर शेयर करूं बिकॉज इट इज़ रेलिवेंट विद व्हाट वी कीप डिस्कसिंग विद यू रिगार्डिंग द एआई यूसेज। इस आर्टिकल में बेसिकली महिंद्रा सीईओ इज़ सेइंग ऑन एआई यूसेज। उन्होंने बताया कि उनकी क्या फ़िलॉसफी है और वो क्या कर रहे हैं एआई के साथ। सो आई थॉट दैट इट विल बी ऑफ ग्रेट इंटरेस्ट अगर आप सब भी देखें समझें कि एक्चुअली उनका क्या सोच है, क्या विचार है। सो दिस आर्टिकल गॉट पब्लिश्ड इन द livemint.com। वैसे मिंट न्यूज़पेपर का नाम है, हिंदुस्तान टाइम्स का फाइनेंस वाला। एंड दिस आर्टिकल इज़ अबाउट व्हाट मिस्टर अनीश शाह देयर सीईओ इज़ सेइंग अबाउट एआई। तो आइए ज़रा इसको थोड़ा और डेप्थ में इनके आर्टिकल की एनालिसिस करते हैं सो दैट वी कैन अंडरस्टैंड कि इनकी सोच क्या है एंड व्हाट आर देयर प्लान्स। इट इज़ अ महिंद्रा इज़ अ बिग कॉन्ग्लोमरेट in our Indian industry. So Mahindra gave us a message that AI is no longer optional, or AI is not only for MSMEs. इस आर्टिकल में महिंद्रा ने बताया कि हाउ एआई इज़ हेल्पिंग देम इन इम्प्रूविंग देयर एफिशिएंसी, how it is reducing their time to go to the market. What they told us, what he is telling us in this article, that 4100 crore revenue का additional उनके ऊपर benefit हो रहा है by using AI, whether it is in cost reduction or in better improving the better margins on their products. Secondly, he said 10% उनका time reduce होता है and they are able to go faster to the market. Ultimately 32% net revenue ग्रोथ जो होती है, नेट प्रॉफिट ग्रोथ जो है वो उनको मिल रही है। तो एआई इज़ बिकमिंग अ कॉम्पिटिटिव नेसेसिटी फॉर एवरी बिजनेस, फॉर एमएसएमईज ऑल्सो एंड फॉर द इंडस्ट्री लीडर्स ऑल्सो। बड़े कॉन्ग्लोमरेट हो या छोटी कंपनी हो, it is imperative that AI is adopted for becoming better in to face the competition. AI, what is he saying, is helping him to transform his business in a big way. 4100 crore, as he said, revenue expected from the AI-led initiatives, 10% time reduction in reaching to the market, कस्टमर को एनहेंस सर्विस एक्सपीरियंस दे रही है। इट इज़ हेल्पिंग इट इन इम्प्रूविंग मार्केटिंग एफिशिएंसी, सप्लाई चेन ऑप्टिमाइजेशन ऑल्सो इट इज़ हेल्पिंग। सो इट इज़ अ बिग थिंग। 20% SUV volume growth is powered by data and AI. This is a very big statement. It is not something small thing. So यहाँ हमें ध्यान देना है, using AI to enhance customer service, improve marketing efficiency and shorten time to market. So Mahindra, as you know, already dethroned Hyundai to become number 2 in the SUV business currently. Leadership, this is a beautiful statement what he has mentioned in this, which I liked most. He says that I spend 1 hour every single day on AI. इतनी बड़ी कंपनी का इतना बड़ा CEO and MD is saying that he is spending daily 1 hour. Now you can understand the importance they are giving to AI. And why he is giving it? Because he understands that it is imperative that to transform our business, we have to put tremendous amount of effort into it. तो मेन इसका टेक अवे क्या है कि स्ट्रैटेजिक एआई एडवांटेज अगर आप लीडरशिप अपने पास रखेगा, then it will be having, it can be able to proceed and face the competition in much better way. So it is not, once again I would like to mention that it is not only for MSMEs, it is for everyone. It helps you in lowering your operational cost, it improves your product launches, and ultimately it gives you agility and improves your efficiency to go to the market. AI is not about size, it is about survival and value. The beautiful question that is put into it, should I use AI? No. But can I afford to wait? No, you can't afford to wait. It is not important whether I use AI or not, but you cannot afford to wait to use AI. You have to adopt it, and the moment you start adopting this AI as a leader, you can then tell your subordinates, your team members, come on, use it, because the more you use it, the better it will be for the organization, better will be our efficiency, less you will be wasting time onto superfluous things. So lot of things to learn from AI. Just to summarize everything, that how Mahindra is taking the help of AI 4,100 crore they are expecting that they will be getting the revenue because of AI. And this is giving the culture of innovation. Also, it will give the better quality, fast launches, and high customer value. When MSME needs to adopt AI incrementally, but you have to start with one process. एक process हमने एक step ले लिया, then everything becomes so easy and so comfortable for us that then we would be looking forward to कि इसको मेरे को कहाँ कहाँ use करना है. So don't wait for it. Take the plunge and come forward and show the world that yes, you are moving along with the time. So I hope you liked this video, and I hope you will subscribe to this channel as we are continuously sharing what more is happening on AI. In last video I have talked about कि कैसे MSME 3 easy steps में अपनी machines की maintenance की data improve कर सकते हैं. Next video which is going to come up will be on this, that how we are going to use AI to improve the maintenance of our machines. Thank you very much for watching once again.